What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to show you the best way to run Android app on your PC. But before we go into the video, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. I'll be very grateful if you can do that for me. You make this channel grow and more people watch my video. Yes, let's go back to the main video. Today I want to tell you or show you the best way to run Android app on your PC. See that Android app or Android game, whatever you wish, it can run both fine. You have to search for Momo emulator in your favorite browser, maybe Chrome, Opera Mini, Firefox, whatever browser you wish. But here I'm using Chrome. I have to type Momo emulator, then click on search. This is the Momo emulator site in the first link. Click on the first link. As you can see, Momo Player Fast Android emulator for PC. Perfectly support. Click on that. It's loading due to my internet connection is very poor. I have to wait for a few moments. As you can see, this is the official website. Momo Player. You can see your own products, games, and other stuff. You can search here. As you see, this is free download here. You can tap on it to install it on your PC. Or you tap on this free download there. This free download. Or you tap on this one. Either of the two it work perfectly. And it's very easy to install. As you can see, you can play tons of games here. You can see Minecraft, COD, different type of game here. It supports different type of games. This is one of the best emulator out there. In fact, this is the best emulator you can ever find. I love this emulator so much. It's very easy to install, but I'm not going to install it now because I've already have it on my PC. This is what it look like. Let me show you. This is what it look like. This is the emulator here. This is what it look like. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe and watch out for my next video. Like, please make sure you subscribe. I discovered that most of you watching my video are not subscriber. Please make sure you subscribe to my video and watch out for my next video.